Meaning of day release.
Day release.
Day release.
Day release.
Day release. Day release is a term used to describe a work arrangement where an employee is allowed to take time off work during the day for education or training purposes. This time off is usually granted with pay and may be offered by an employer as an incentive to help their employees improve their skills or qualifications. The result of a day release program can be beneficial for both the employee and the employer, as it can help upskill the worker and increase productivity or innovation within the workplace.